I hope this is visible. I hope my slide share is visible. Okay. Fine. Now, this is human cell cycle. The first thing that you usually should be knowing is that every cell has to pass through this cell cycle where there's an interphase and there is cell division. So here it is being represented by mitosis, part of the cell division, or mitosis type of the cell division. So the interphase of the cell cycle will have G1, S, G2, and mitosis. In number of all 7, 3, 1. And then 1 hour of mitosis for 15 hours of interphase. And you, as you must be knowing, that the cell is functional in interphase. And when it is either about to die or it is to be replaced, there it undergoes cell division. So this one is again divided into prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase in number of minutes. It is not important for you to know the exact minutes and time. Phases, prophase, prometaphase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Prophase, chromosomes condense, actually visible, nuclear membrane dissolves, centriole pairs migrate to opposite poles, will organize spindle fibers. Prometaphase, chromosomes clearly double structure, sister chromatids, centriole reach opposite poles. Centrioles have reached opposite poles, as you can see. Spindle forms, this white colored thing are spindle. Chromosome moves to form metaphase plate. And you can see this is the central plate, metaphase plate. Chromosomes aligned along the metaphase plate, attached to the spindle. These white colored things are spindle through kinetochore. Kinetochores are nothing but microtubules present as a part of cytoskeleton. Anaphase, chromosomes split at centromere, migrate to the opposite poles. Each chromatid now becomes a chromosome, shortest of the phase in duration. And telophase is chromosome reach opposite pole. Nuclear membrane reforms, very important. And then there is a cytokinesis, which is partitioning of the cytoplasm. Meiosis, on the other side, is a reduction division. Gonads, formation of germ cells, has two parts, first and second division. And there is a reduction in chromosome from 2n to n. It is responsible for the tremendous genetic diversity. Mitosis versus meiosis, I will not, we need not go. Meiosis may, if you see, the prophase 1 is a big thing, long thing, different thing. 3 events happen in it: condensation, pairing and crossing over. और उसके भी 5 सब phases होते हैं: लेप्टोटीन, जाइगोटीन, पैचेटीन, डिप्लोटीन, डाइकाइनेसिस. लेप्टोटीन में interphase chromosomes begin to condense for the homologous chromosome. Zygote or zygonema chromosomes shorten, flatten. Homology search continues. Paired homologs are now referred to as bivalents. Bivalents. Pachytene coiling of chromosome continues. Development of synaptonemal complex. Homologous chromosomes now appear as double structures. Clear. So now it is called as tetrad. Bivalents have now clear 4 sister chromatids. Diploidine, each tetrad has 4 sister chromatids. Each pair of sister chromatids begin to separate with one or more area in contact. So this contact area is called as chiasmata. typical of the meiosis. Intervened areas are called as chiasmata, region of crossover. And this crossover is responsible for genetic diversity. Now chromosomes pull apart, non-sister chromatids remain loosely associated via these chiasmata. Chiasmata moves towards the end of the tetrad. Nuclear membrane and nucleolus disappear. It has to, क्योंकि अब प्रोफेज खत्म होने वाला है, मेटाफेज चालू होने वाला है. Prophase spindle fibers, so you can see centromeres attached to the spindle fiber. These are spindle fibers. Tetrads move to an equatorial plate. Meiosis 1 के अंदर मेटाफेज 1 आया, तो वो मेटाफेज प्लेट पे अरेंज हो गए. क्रोमोसोम मैक्सिमली थिकन्ड. Non-sister chromatids associated at terminal chiasma only. Tetrad alignment 4 at equatorial plate is random. Anaphase 1 pair of sister chromatid. है ना, ये डिफरेंस है कि माइटोसिस में सेंट्रोमियर स्प्लिट होता था, इसमें पूरे का पूरा क्रोमोसोम. Centromeres do not split. One pair of the homologous chromosome, they move to another side. It is disjunction. So telophase 1, after that the chromosome dyads reach the pole, nuclear membrane reforms. Cells may go directly to meiosis 2 or have a short interface. सेकंड म्यूटिक डिवीजन बाकी सब सेम है, डिटेल्स में जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. प्रोफेज 2, मेटाफेज 2, एनाफेज 2 के अंदर इंपॉर्टेंट ये आया कि अब सेंट्रोमियर स्प्लिट होते हैं. एनाफेज 2 की बारी चल रही है. द सेकंड म्यूटिक डिवीजन इज लाइक माइटोसिस, सो द सेंट्रोमियर स्प्लिट and the sister chromatids migrate to the opposite pole. Telophase 2 and all cells are haploid and contain a mixture of genetic information from its two grandparents. And we should be knowing this because for the development of gametes this is required. Spermatogenesis and oogenesis. अब spermatogenesis में broadly हम देखेंगे spermatogonium, primary spermatocyte, secondary spermatocyte, four spermatids, four spermatozoa. Here we were knowing that oogonium becomes primary oocyte, undergoes first meiotic division, इसमें एक सेकेंडरी oocyte निकलता है, एक बिना काम का फर्स्ट पोलर बॉडी निकलता है. बिना काम का वैसे हमारे लिए वो छुटकारा देने के लिए there is a first polar body. Then the secondary oocyte again enters second meiotic division, and after fertilization it enters, or the fertilization, after fertilization only the meiosis 2 is completed in female. In male, whether there is fertilization or no fertilization, one spermatogonium is going to give rise to four spermatid, and then there is a morphological change from a rounded structure to an oval with a tail-like structure, which is differentiation, and this is called as spermiogenesis, conversion of spermatid into spermatozoa. So इसमें फर्टिलाइजेशन हो या ना हो, ओव्यूलेशन का कोई चक्कर नहीं है, फर्टिलाइजेशन का कोई चक्कर नहीं है, and spermatogonium will produce four spermatozoa. While in female, ovulation is required for conversion of primary oocyte into secondary oocyte, and fertilization is required for conversion of secondary oocyte into ootid. I hope you are understanding it clearly. So that is it. Spermatogenesis and oogenesis, same thing. You just go through this. There are other differences and that you can see. ये हमारे लिए भी इतने important नहीं है रिवीजन में. What are the male organs, etc.? What is present? This I am skipping. So that was about the spermatogenesis and oogenesis. Let me see if something more is there. You know spermatozoa. So this is the conversion of spermatid into spermatozoa. अच्छे से कर लेना ये, because this is spermiogenesis. The diagram is important, and what is becoming what. कि आपकी बुक में भी महेंद्र बिसिंग में जो बुक पढ़ते हो शायद आप उसमें लिखा है. So Golgi apparatus, acrosomal cap, nucleus, head, mitochondria, middle piece surrounding, proximal centriole, neck, distal centriole, annulus, axial filament grows out of the centriole, present in middle piece and tail. So this is spermiogenesis. Okay. Now I stop here for the oogenesis, etc. And we go to the next part.